Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with you all some updates that I made to my construction company business plan template for 2024 using artificial intelligence. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll go ahead and dive in and I'll share with you all some of the updates that I've made to the construction company business plan template for 2024. And yeah, so that's it. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. The first update that I made to the construction company business plan template is I added a placeholder for the logo for the construction company. So the way the title page now looks is at the top, it'll say construction company. And here you can go ahead and put your company name or you can just delete it completely. Underneath, it's a great place for your logo. And if you like the logo that I have there, use it. If not, go ahead and put your own company logo in there. And then finally, underneath it'll say business plan, and that just sets the reader's expectations as to what's included in this document that you're going to be presenting to them. The second update that I made is I added some information or an introduction to the construction services provided segment, and here it just sets the foundation as to what are some of the services you're going to be offering. And I did use artificial intelligence. I liked how it sounds. It's just it touches on quality, it touches on safety, timely completions, all the buzzwords that a reader of this document is going to want to hear. And then finally, at the bottom, this is where you can go ahead and really customize it and include your specialties, whether it be, building houses to constructing roads, whatever it is, whatever your specialty is. That's a great foundation, great place for you to go ahead and specialize and really step up the document, the template, to make sure that it reads as your own. And the final segment that I updated was industry research. As we all know, having updated industry research, especially for the construction industry, is a critical component of a business plan or a well prepared business plan. And so from that, what I did is I went to IBIS World. I obtained their most up to date report for the construction industry. And then I went ahead and extrapolated important information from there and put it into the template. Some of the information that I retrieved from IBIS World was the revenues, historical growth, projected growth rates, profits, wages paid, and the number of businesses competing in the industry. And then again, I just went ahead and put all that good information into the template, have it updated, and so now that's up to date and ready to go. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.